Japanese secret to whitening skin by 10 degrees. Whitens skin in seconds and removes blackheads. We will need any kind of soap. Grate the soap. Grate 3 tablespoons of soap, a glass of milk, warm it up well. Add 3 tablespoons of grated soap. Mix well until the soap dissolves in the milk. A spoonful of cornstarch. Mix well. Put it on low flame with constant stirring. You will get a creamy mixture. Add 1 piece of cheese. Mix well until the cheese melts. You will get a creamy mixture. Keep the cream in a clean box and store it in the fridge. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my profile, you will find many other recipes that will help you be much healthier. So, click on my photo in the upper right corner of your screen, and then click Follow. Apply to clean skin. Leave it on the skin for 25 minutes. Wash it off with warm and cold water. From the first use, your skin will be as white as snow. Wrinkles, dark spots, melasma, pigmentation will disappear. Your complexion will be clear and free from all defects. Repeat the recipe twice a week. Register to get more tips on natural medicine.